Here's what you need to know about what is Anycast. This is an exam topic in Domain 1, Networking Concepts. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network Plus exam. Let's get into it. Anycast assigns the same IP address to multiple servers in different locations. When traffic is sent to that address, routing protocols automatically direct it to the nearest available server. Anycast is used by DNS resolvers, CDNs, and DDoS mitigation services to deliver fast, resilient global connectivity. Key concept: how Anycast works. The same IP address is announced from multiple locations via BGP. Routers send traffic to the closest announcement based on routing metrics. If the nearest node goes offline, traffic automatically reroutes to the next closest node. No manual failover needed. Key concept: 4 delivery types. Unicast sends to one specific device. Broadcast sends to all devices on a segment. Multicast sends to a subscribed group. Anycast sends to the nearest of many nodes sharing the same IP. Each type serves a different purpose on the network. Key concept: Anycast in DNS. All 13 DNS root server letter addresses, for example A through M, use Anycast. Google's 8.8.8.8 and Cloudflare's 1.1.1.1 are Anycast addresses served from hundreds of global nodes. This ensures low-latency DNS resolution regardless of user location. Key concept: DDoS and CDN use. Anycast spreads attack traffic across many nodes instead of letting it overwhelm a single server. CDNs use Anycast to serve content from edge nodes near the user. Both use cases benefit from automatic load distribution and built-in geographic redundancy. Let's look at the full breakdown. Unicast: one sender, one specific receiver, unique IP per device, standard web and file traffic. Broadcast: one sender, all on segment, destination 255.255.255.255, ARP requests, DHCP discovery. Multicast: one sender, subscribed group, class D 224.0.0.0/4, video streaming, routing updates. Anycast: one sender, nearest of many, same IP on multiple servers, DNS, CDN, DDoS mitigation. Here's a real-world example. Cloudflare runs 1.1.1.1 on servers in over 300 cities worldwide. When your device sends a DNS query to 1.1.1.1, BGP routing delivers it to the nearest Cloudflare node, not one on the other side of the planet. A user in London hits a London node. A user in Tokyo hits a Tokyo node. Same IP address, different physical server, always the fastest path. Quick recap before you go. 1. Anycast assigns the same IP to multiple servers and routes traffic to the nearest one. 2. BGP routing determines which Anycast node handles each request. 3. DNS uses Anycast. Root servers 8.8.8.8 and 1.1.1.1 are Anycast addresses. 4. Anycast provides automatic failover. If one node fails, traffic reroutes instantly. 5. IPv6 defines Anycast as a required address type using the same format as Unicast. That's what is Anycast covered. Exam tip: memorize all 4 transmission types. Unicast, 1-to-1, broadcast, 1-to-all, multicast, 1-to-subscribed group, Anycast, 1-to-nearest. Anycast is a key IPv6 concept and is used by DNS infrastructure worldwide. Next up, what is a router? If this helped, hit subscribe. New topics drop every week.